Hello and welcome. Some people can walk through life seemingly unaffected by stress and anxiety. Indeed, many thrive on it. I, perhaps like you, am not one of those people. If you read just discovering what yoga is all about or are wanting to deepen your home practice, discover the breathing exercises or pranayama that can take your practice to another level, soothing your nervous system and energizing your entire body. Find out which props are essential for supporting your alignment and warm up with gentle asanas and sequences. Then, enjoy some in-depth work on the wonderfully restorative sun and moon salutations. Why relaxation is key. Relaxation is a basic human need. Yet these days we often fail to give ourselves the essential downtime we need. But why is relaxation so essential? When you're working hard, physically or mentally, or you're going through a stressful period, your body releases stress hormones, such as adrenaline, to give you the energy to cope. However, if these hormones are constantly released into the body, they can damage your well-being, disrupting your sleep, playing havoc with your weight and skin, and eventually leading to burnout and accelerated aging. One of the fastest ways to dissipate the body's stress hormones is to switch on your relaxation response using yoga. While all yoga helps you relax, unwind and revive, some moves have a particular therapeutic effect. Thanks for watching.